Hi everyone! This week First Children's School is taking a trip around the world. In our class, Miss Trisha's class, we are going to be learning about Italy. So here's my Italian flag. Now you guys are going to be reading all about Italy and all the wonderful things that they have over there to do and to eat and sports that they play. But I thought that since the school is going on a trip all around the world, we would make the world. So we have a blue circle, we have green paint, and I have a paper plate just to work on. I also have my paper towels down so I don't make a mess. And this is the most important thing we have today to work with. This is a small ball that looks like the earth or the world. You guys all got one of these in your summer materials, and then you also got last week from your teachers the blue circle and the green paint. And I'm going to show you guys how we're going to use this to make a world. We're going to use the world to make a world. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our blue circle, and it's blue because most of the earth is made up of water. So the blue stands for water. I'm going to put it right there on the center of my plate. And I have some green paint because green represents the land. And you can see on this model of the earth, it's mostly blue, but then there's some green, and the green shows the land, all the land that's all around the world. So how are we going to get this green paint onto our blue circle to make it look like the earth or the world? We're not going to use a paintbrush, and we're not going to use just our fingers. We're going to have some fun. So carefully open it up, and then we're going to just very carefully just start to tip it just a little bit. And we're just going to pour very carefully and very slowly some of that green paint all around. It does not matter where you put it. Just kind of scatter it all around like that. It doesn't have to look exactly like that. Then you're going to take your green ball and you're going to kind of dip it into one of the spots of paint. And you're just going to kind of roll it. Roll it around. You might get some paint on your hands. You're probably going to get some paint on your hands. That's okay. We're just going to roll it all around. Now we don't want to cover the whole thing because remember, we still need to see the blue. So we can see that there is water, but we're just going to roll it and kind of stamp it. And then when I'm done, I'm going to just put this down on top of the lid from the paint. I have another napkin here so I can just wipe the paint off. I will wash my hands when I'm completely done. But now I can hold that up and I can show you that I have made a painting of the world. See that? Kind of looks a little bit like the ball. A painting of the world. So there you go. When it's dry, you can hang it up, or you could glue it to another piece of paper or display it however you want. I hope you guys have fun with it, and I hope you have fun this week traveling around the world with First Children's School. Bye-bye.